Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipain na rin yung tiny bell button dun sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel, you know? At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa performance ng SB19 at ng G22 sa Acer Day 2025. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood to. Kaya i-play na natin to without further ado. Let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. Alright. Okay, bilang tayo guys. And 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go.
Acer Day 2025. Here's an ultimate P-pop collab. Scream and shout for G22 and SB19.
B19! Ang ganda ng G22, yung face card nila.
I just have actually something to say before we start. Kasi when we were performing, nakita ko lang yung iba na medyo
si Josh
nagsi-cellphone o medyo nakatunga nga lang. Siyempre, ganito ba tayo mag-party sa Pilipinas? Gusto ko lang na tonight mag-enjoy lahat. So,
grabe naman yung face card ni Ken, no?
Sa amin, sumayaw,
ni Justin, no?
Kumanta, at syempre mamaya patatayuin namin kayo. You'll know when. But for now, I want y'all to sing with me, okay? I'll count, then you sing with me. 1, 2, 3, go! Wait a second, cause we going to the top. Made a bet and now, flow will never stop. Wait a second, cause we going to the top. And made a bet and now, flow will never stop. One more time, y'all. Wait a second, cause we going to the top. And made a bet and now, flow will never stop. Let's go! Look it up, breathe in,
si Ken. Hostel. Pinuno, oh. Ang lupit, no? Go, Josh! Si Justin. Angas talaga ni Ken, no? Wow!
Slide, magandang manintala ay hindi ang bibitaw.
Ang galing, oh. Ang astig din talaga ng G22, eh. Oh! Astig niya. Grabe yung crowd, no? Astig! Lupet. Ang galing nila.
Mas malakas ang basta. So take time, go up and down. Everything I want is you and more. Reaching for the ground, so high up in the air, I see it now. Need a check, need a cry.
Wow! Oh, ang galing. Still no, grabe yung boses niya. Taas. Yung swag nyo talaga. Sobrang swag. Wow! Grabe yung crowd, no? Napaka-grabe naman. Napaka-husay.
Everyone, tuwagan ulit natin. Kuya Robby Domingo. Let's go, Kuya Robby. Let's go.
Kuya Robby.
All right, give it up for the Kings of Bebop and G22. Woo! Grabe naman yun.
Next goal out daw ikaw.
I missed
Next
you
goal,
so
ikaw.
much. Okay,
Galing.
again, palakpakan po natin our female alpha G22.
G22A!
Thank
Galing
you,
nila,
thank you, girls. We'll be seeing more of them later on. Maraming salamat. But I think our Acer fam wants to see more of collabs with our...
Oo nga, no? Grabe, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng performance nila, no? Ang astig nilang lahat. Ang sarap panoorin. Alright, kung gusto nyo ito, guys, bigyan nyo ng malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know? Bye po!